Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So back in November of last year, I let you know that Microsoft had announced that it would be finally adding an agenda view to the Windows 11 calendar flyout. And as I mentioned in the video, which I'll leave linked if you'd like some more information, Windows 11 will soon show a chronological list of your upcoming events right in the notification center. Check the video out for more info. Now, that soon came and went, and the feature was initially set for a December 2025 preview, which never happened. And that was after Microsoft updated the original announcement, removing the preview timeline, causing many to think that obviously Microsoft had cancelled the agenda view. And this is an image provided from the announcement. Now, if this was a feature you were looking out for, then I may have good news, because we have a bit of an update regarding the release timeline now of this agenda view, which, as mentioned, should have rolled out back in December of last year. And this is because Microsoft has made a statement to Windows Central. I'll leave the post linked in the description, and has confirmed that the feature has not been cancelled, and that Microsoft is, and I'm quoting, actively refining the foundational aspects of the experience to ensure it meets our quality standards before it reaches customers. Microsoft says it's focused on delivering a reliable, high-quality feature at the time of public preview or general availability, quote unquote. So it seems that obviously the feature wasn't ready for prime time. And the good news with this is at least Microsoft didn't roll it out with bugs and glitches. At least they are going to carry on working on it and then roll it out as a stable feature. Now, Microsoft has also confirmed that the feature would enter a preview with Windows insiders in the coming months. So they don't give us an exact date and time, just in the coming months, which obviously puts it way past the December 2025 date that Microsoft gave originally. And this likely means that we are a couple of weeks away before it enters preview officially. But obviously that'll have to work its way through the insider program. So it's quite far away from becoming generally available for everyone. But nonetheless, if that is a feature you were looking out for, at least it hasn't been cancelled, and Microsoft is going to continue working on that. And obviously, if I get any more info, I'll let you guys know. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.